This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the luggage compartment. The spare wheel and vehicle tools are located in the luggage compartment. Lift out the tools, then undo the retainer and lift out the spare wheel. Where fitted, remove the spare wheel cover. Unclip the jack handle. Place chocks each side of the wheel diagonally opposite to the wheel being removed. Using the special anti-theft wheel nut adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel nuts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the door sill flange. Rotate the handle clockwise and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Fully unscrew the nuts and remove the wheel. Locate the wheel over the studs in the hub and lightly tighten the retaining nuts. Rotate the handle anti-clockwise and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel nuts securely. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks. Stow the punctured wheel and tools in the luggage compartment.